Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to check your primary location on Facebook. So let's dive in. First off, go ahead and log into your Facebook. Then on the home page, you want to click on your profile icon at the top. Then from here, you want to scroll down and look for settings and privacy. Then you want to choose settings. From here, you want to scroll all the way down to your activity. Then you want to choose activity log. Scroll down and choose logged information. Scroll down once again. Then from here, you should be able to see your location. All you have to do is just click on the drop down and click your places. Now, I don't have a saved location on my Facebook account, so if I click this, it wouldn't show me anything. But here's what it would look like once you have your primary location saved on your account. So it looks something like this. So once you have a saved primary location, it would look something like this on your Facebook account. So that's it. Now you know how to check your primary location on Facebook. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.